Usually when you're looking for a home, you're told you can't have it all. If you want freedom, you might be in the middle of nowhere. If you want town, you might be trapped in that HOA. This place, it breaks all the rules. Massive driveway, room for the RV, and total independence. Inside this nearly 2,000 square foot 4-bedroom layout doesn't just show off its character, it instantly wraps you in a sense of comfort. Look at these original hardwood floors. They're incredible condition and they immediately give this entire space a genuine warmth. Everything centers around the dining area. You have a custom built-in bar, a china cabinet, and all that extra storage that you actually need. But this is the real game changer. A private entrance, your own attached mother-in-law suite. It's perfect for extended family, guests, a quiet studio, and it's all underneath one roof. Step outside with me because the layout here is absolutely brilliant. You have a covered patio over here to barbecue right off the kitchen, a large covered patio for entertaining, and a massive fire pit area. Also a dedicated spa patio with lots of privacy. And it's all framed by something you can't just build overnight. A lush, peaceful lot loaded with mature fruit and citrus trees. We're here in Fallbrook, just minutes from local coffee shops and trails, but we're tucked away on a half acre with minimal restrictions and low taxes. This is what makes Fallbrook so special. Charm, flexibility, and just room to breathe. This isn't just a house, it's a place where you immediately see memories being made.